In the given expression, a is a constant. The expression is equivalent to x raised to power 6, where x is greater or equal to 0. What is the value of a? Given square root of x raised to power 3 or raised to power a is equal to x raised to power 6. Rewrite this expression in index form. We have
3 times 1 over 2, which is 3 over 2.
x raised to power 3 over 2 or raised to power a is equal to x raised to power 6. Multiply, we have x raised to power 3a over 2 is equal to x raised to power 6. Cancel out x and equate the indices. So we have 3a over 2 is equal to 6. 3a is equal to 6 times 2, which is equal to 12. Divide both sides by 3. Then we have that a is equal to 3 divided by 12, 4. Our answer is a is equal to 4. Let me hear from you in the comment section. Like and subscribe. See you again in the next video.